Hi everyone, Katie here, this time with our reference solution. Finding reliable and relevant resources for your paper can be a daunting task, especially when you are pressed for time. That's where Published comes in. We recognize this challenge and have created a tool for you to aid you in this process. Let me show you how it works. At the bottom of the page, we have a text box for you to insert a topic of interest. In our example today, we have the rules of religious activity in health outcomes. Okay, Publish will then pull 5 relevant resources relating to our topic. Okay, here they are. And on the right side, you'll see this drop bar. You can click this for additional details about the resource, including the author, abstract, citation number, and year of publication. Additionally, Publish has put together a small paragraph with points of relevancy of why this reference pertains to your topic of interest. Thanks for joining us on this tutorial. We trust that with the help of your new AI companion, that you'll be able to optimize your efficiency and productivity while sourcing new information for work.